Okay, so we're going to call this some more tales from the bayou. In recent days, you've noticed I've posted a couple of things for sale from estate sale. Well, one of the things that came up in the estate sale was found this F3B. And I had these F7s. Both these are Atheran Genesis F7s. They had MRC decoders and we changed them, and they now have Soundtraxx decoders in them. They're not Tsunami 2s, but anyway, they're later modeled Soundtraxx sound decoders. My friend Paul did it and we fixed them up. They're in a couple of videos we have previously shown. Well, had a mobile DC decoder in the box, and I said, well, gee, this is an F3. I guess we could have had a little time warp here, and they still had some F3Bs running with the F7s. Well, open up the box, of course. The Genesis unit did not have a decoder in it. It still was just DC. Well, we took the little board out, and there you see the mobile decoder. Now, this is all soft wired in. I just twisted the wires, and we're only working off the front pickups. I'll go back and tuck things away and make it pretty, solder the wires, put heat shrink over the ends so we don't have any shorts. But, this isn't an example. The point is, both the A and the B F7 have sound and everything. But you talk about matching the engines and speed matching. All three of the decoders are Soundtraxx decoders. And the little mobile decoder all works on the same function board. So with a little luck here, we'll get the pickup working and we'll see what happens. Bingo. Perfect speed match. People, this is what it's all about. What I'm having here with thing is a pickup issue because we only have one end of the unit picked up. But that's all I need to see. We'll go back and we'll shoot. Well, I'll put it all on. I'll put the shell on it and hardwire it and do it. This would be a great place to put a current keeper, because the two other units have current keepers in them, and that would stop all that situation where you would have a short. But where this unit is, and the fact that there's going to be no lights in it and it'll be in between the other two, we can take care of that issue with it if it possibly loses contact. But this is exactly what you're looking for. The other thing, I'm not too sure if I cleaned the wheels. So let's see. See, there you go. You can't get any better than that speed matching, people. So there we go. Another successful story from the bayou in Soundtraxx. So, got all the wires tucked away. Got a little double stick tape on top of the old bracket mounter. And the motor decoder's right in there working. So now, we have a perfect, let's say, direction set of running units. So we have an F7, an F3B, and an F7B. Okay. Let's try turning this around. You see right there, the little F, that says forward. So it goes this way. There you go. The only thing that would help this unit is get a set of American Standard diaphragm sets and put them in there. And then you would really have a tough looking set. So you go out here and turn the headlight on, turn the Mars light on. And this style of Tales from the Bayou is about as complete as you can get it.